Okay, so Alison and I are in the hi Alison, oh there you are. We're in the tent, watching the storm. Come on, let's get busy. Show me some lightning, show me some lightning. Oh, there's a bit over there somewhere. Scary. Oh, there was a bit. See that? Oh, I think I caught that as well. Oh.
It's really close. Oh my god.
It's gonna rain. You can see the rain bashing in the pool. Probably can't see it from here. Sounds nice on the tin roof though. Oh, I think I might call that one too. Okay, so that's like a minute and 10 seconds of our storm. I think that'll be it. It's not going to do anything much else than thunder and lightning.